In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Hamster Kombat. Now, to download Hamster Kombat, what you'll need to do first is to go ahead and head over to the hamsterkombatgame.io, the official website of Hamster Kombat. Click on the Play Now button and this will redirect you to your Telegram application. So there is no option for you to download Hamster Kombat since this application can only be found inside Telegram. So what you can do is instead of downloading the Hamster Kombat game, go ahead and download Telegram and create an account on Telegram to be able to access Hamster Kombat on your device. Telegram is a messaging application where you can simply play Hamster Kombat using any device, such as Android phone, iOS device, laptop, or PC. Whichever you have, you can access Hamster Kombat on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.